Hi, Aerial friends. Today I have a super cute sequence for you, and I have entitled it Not a Rebecca Split, Rebecca Split. I'm calling it that because it looks like a Rebecca split and it's similar to a Rebecca split, but it's different. And if you don't know what a Rebecca split is, I have a tutorial on that too. You're definitely going to want to go back and learn that one as well. Now, a few housekeeping rules before we get into this. Number one, aerial silks is dangerous. Look at my big, thick mat on the floor. Mats are cool. I suggest you practice with a mat underneath you as well. Number two, I'm labeling this as an advanced beginning sequence, but on the easier end of advanced beginning because it does not require an inversion and you can do it from the ground. And finally, number three, if you train aerial silks or flexibility, if you don't mind hitting the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on, I would super duper appreciate it. It really supports me and it really helps you too. All right, let's get into it. As per the usual, the first time we go through it, we're going to go through it slow motion. I'm going to talk you through it, and then the next time we'll pick it up to speed. The sequence starts by tying a figure 8 footlock onto one foot. Any foot. I'm going to do my right foot. You can do it from the ground or in the air. I'm doing it kind of low because these silks are kind of short. From here, I like to passe my free leg, trap the silks in my armpit, and whichever armpit is trapping the silks, I use that hand to hold the live end of the silks. My free hand grabs the silks in front of me and pulls it between my body and the live end. Make sure you press it as far away from you as possible. You want to create a lot of space. From there, I give the silks a little press so it comes behind me. I come up and then switch grip. So the hand that was just pressing the silks grabs the live end. The other hand grabs that silks that just came from behind my back. And then I press it again, creating even more space. I want to note that the hand that is holding the live end of the silks is holding really high. From there, I lift my free leg and bring it from the outside to the inside of the silks. Now, you lead with your knee and you have two options here. Option number one is to trap that foot like I'm doing now, and you can go into another pretty little splitty shape. Option number two is just to bring that foot all the way through if you're not vibing that. Let me get a slightly better angle for you. So when you've finished living your best split life, you can bring that foot all the way through and then come to this fun little seated position. This is a great resting shape, and we love our resting shapes on the aerial silks. To get into the full split, you're going to grab the silks in front of your face and then sit your booty backwards. Once your booty is back all the way, your bent knee or your non-locked foot sickles against the silks. And then you're gonna re-pull yourself up into the split to face the locked foot. Now, this shape does require a full split. There is a way to do it where you don't have to be as splitty, which I will show to you right after this. For now, let me spin myself to get a better angle for you all. There you go. We love the drama of this shape. Now, when you're ready to get out, simply sink the booty back, rebend the knee, then unhook the leg, and everything should kind of just fall off of you. You may have to throw the silks around your back. And then you can just take off your footlock and you are out of there. So before we go through the sequence again up to speed, I want to show you what you can do if you are just not feeling the full split. So from the little booty back position, instead of sickling your foot, you would just keep your knee bent, and then as you pulled yourself towards your locked foot, you would straighten the leg, and then you're in this still beautiful split, but you have more control over it. And then it would be the same situation to get out. You would sit back, yada, yada, yada. All right, you guys, let's take it up to normal speed. So you would start by putting a foot lock on a foot. I'm gonna do my left foot this time because it's important to practice splits on both sides. From there, I'm also completely doing it from the ground because I am lazy. Pull yourself up, passe the free leg, tip to the side, pull the silks between your belly and the live end, press it out, throw it around behind you, come up, and then press it out again. Make sure you make loads of room. From here, your free leg leading by the knee comes from the outside to the inside. Trap the foot. Have a moment of glorious shapeage here. When you're ready, bring the leg all the way through, cross it on top of your other leg. Cute little seated position. Take a rest. For the full split, grab the silks in front of you with both hands, reach the booty backwards, and then sickle the foot, re-pull yourself up towards your locked foot, and you are in the full split. To get out, butt goes backward, unhook the knee, come on up, press the silks around behind you, and then everything falls off. Step out of there. You have done the sequence. So you guys, listen, I hope you enjoyed that. I like it because there's loads of spaces to rest during it, and I'm a big believer in resting a lot when you do the silks because it's hard. If you have any questions, definitely ask me in the comments below. Also, one last reminder to hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.